Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is loaded banana bread. It is loaded with raisin and all sorts of nuts, from peanuts, pecans, almonds, and whatnot. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Lay parchment paper on your loaf pan and spray it with cooking spray and set to side. This is 2 cups of flour, half cup of brown sugar, quarter cup of regular white sugar, and 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder with a little salt. We're just gonna mix it. For the wet ingredients, using a blender, electric blender or food processor, this is 2 bananas with 3 teaspoons of vanilla essence, quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, and 2 whole eggs. I think you can see the eggs over there. And we're just gonna process it until super mixed and nice. Now we're gonna pour our wet ingredients into dry ingredients, and we're gonna mix it with our spatula until just combined. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen, if you are hearing Twilight series in the background, you are correct, because my husband only now is catching up to watch Twilight after more than a decade over. So anyways, again, mix the wet ingredients into dry ingredients until just combine. If you don't have mixer or electric blender, you can just mash your banana with fork or balloon whisk with the other ingredients, would be just fine. We're gonna fold in as generous as you like this no sugar added nut and raisins dipped in smooth no sugar added chocolate into our batter. You can use chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips, semi-sweet, or any baking chocolate, or just chopped nuts or walnuts, but I have this and I want to use it, so we're just gonna fold it into our batter. And now once you fold in the chocolate and raisin, nut and raisin dipped in chocolate pieces into the batter, we're gonna dump the mixture into our prepared loaf pan like so. Now we're gonna bake it on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out and cover the top of the bread with aluminum foil so it won't darken too much, so that we can continue cooking until knife inserted comes out clean. Take out from the oven, and if you want to cool it on the rack, you can easily lift up the bread by lifting up the parchment paper like so. You want to cool it completely before you slice and serve it.